how to make sure your clients don't cancel after they get a plan. So here's the real and real with insurance, right? Like, we don't control the plan. We just kind of help frame the expectations and try to find the right solution for these people. But it's up to the insurance carrier to really help them out. But what we do as a brokerage to help people not cancel their plan is make sure they understand it. So at the end of our calls, we typically have them write down the information. Hey, we signed up for this X plan. Here was the price of the plan. Here are the benefits that you're getting. And we'll send them an email and a text recap of said plan. And we like to do what's called a policy review, where when you have an insurance conversation, usually people are just trying to get it done. It's 20, 30, 40 minutes and they feel like they got a plan, but we need to make sure the plan's set up, right? Like, we need to make sure that they're in their portal, that they're in their telehealth app. So if they get sick, they're not having to try to register on an app and like try to use it so they can go get medication. Because when you're sick, do you want to do anything? You know, that's like the worst time to be setting up your portals, when you're trying to use it. They have their ID card. So when they go to the doctor or the hospital, God forbid, they could just hand their ID card and it's super easy. That they know what network to search if they're outside the state or outside their home, and they can search providers, or if they want to find someone new. And so really your post-sale process is your beginning of your relationship with this person. Like, insurance can be transactional, but it shouldn't. It should be a long-term relationship where you're guiding these people year in and year out, because as you get older, your life's going to change. People that go from their 20s to their 30s are going to have kids. People from the 30s to 40s usually have their most money come in. They'll start businesses or have hundreds of thousands or millions come in. They need to protect that, right? If they're in their 50s and 60s, they're getting ready to retire, right? And so they might need retirement protection. And so your goal is to help these people through the stages of their life and guide them. And if you keep your sales as transactional, no one will ever want to talk to you again, right? Because it's transactional. Your goal is to build a relationship with people and guide them. And so focus on the post-sale process.